Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rojo. Hey, in this episode, I decided to do something real simple. You guys can do this anytime you want. I just went to the grocery store, found some New York strip already seasoned up, and we're gonna put it on the grill. Straightforward stuff. This should be easy for you, but this is it's called a hatch chili Rojo steak. So hatch chili, that's a type of chili, and Rojo, well, I think that's Spanish for red, so you can see it's pretty red. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up and get it ready to put out on the grill. And it says, you know, hey, it's ready just to place it on the grill. So I'm gonna just check out this New York strip. There's a bit of a fat rind through there, that's fine. I'm just gonna leave it on there. Go ahead and take it out of the package. Wow, I can really smell the flavoring on this. They did a good job. Now it's very cold, so I want to get this to room temperature before I put it on the grill. So I'm gonna let it sit here for about 30 minutes or so. Then we'll go out to the grill, give it a try, and see how it tastes. Okay, I'm out on the grill. Sorry, it's a little bit dark. Had a few drinks, so time got away from me. Nonetheless, the steaks were out for about 30 minutes. Put them in the fridge, put them back out again. But I will go ahead and put them on the grill. It's a nice, about 400 degrees on the grill right now. So I'll go ahead and place them on there just like that and let them cook. And about 7 minutes, and I'm gonna flip them over and do them about another 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. I'm gonna check on the meat, and actually it looks very good. I'm gonna pull it off and just, oh yes, look at that. Nice grill marks already on it. I'm gonna cook it another 7 minutes. I can tell just by touching it, I gotta get a nice medium rare out of this. So again, I'll let this cook 7 minutes and get ready to serve it up and see how it tastes. All right, I brought the meat, the New York strips. They were already pre-seasoned by the grocery store. Brought them inside. I probably should let them rest a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this so you can see. This is definitely medium right there, but I gotta try it a little bit just to see, you know, how does this taste, you know. I'm just gonna cut off that like there, a little bit of fat on the edge there. I'm not a big fat fan, but go ahead and try this. Let's see what happens. This Rojo, what's it, Hacha chili seasoning, it's pretty good. Give it a try. Go to your grocery store, find, you know, what's discount, whatever. Buy it, cook it on the grill. That's perfectly fine. Oh, that tastes good. Really good flavor in it. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get the recipe. Actually, there's no recipe to this. Come on. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and check this out. Go out to the store. Get it whenever you can.